Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, it'll be fantastic if you subscribe to our channel. Hey, on the menu today, let's get in. We're doing chicken, cream, spinach, tomato pasta. It's so easy. It's really going to take no time at all. It's absolutely delicious. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here then. So spinach, I'm using fresh spinach. If you're using fresh, give it a nice wash in cold water. It usually has lots of kind of dirt and grit and that in it. You can be using frozen if you want. 1 can of tomatoes chopped. 1 breast of chicken, no skin, no bone. Cut it nice and thin. 1 onion. 125 grams of cream. Now I always get asked this. You can use any cream you want, thick or thin. I'm using thick, but thin will work out just the same. Little bit of celery. I love that in there. Makes loads of sense to me. Parmesan cheese, finely grated. Tablespoon of garlic, and then here I've got 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, optional, you don't have to put that in of course, and 2 teaspoons of oregano. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add some salt and pepper, and before I go, you need to get your pasta cooked. I'm using this kind of macaroni stuff today. You can use whatever you want. Oops, I'll eat that. You can use whatever you want. Penne, spaghetti, up to you. Let's get moving. So you're going to need some sort of pan or skillet or something. I've got some olive oil in there. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion. I've just put the heat on, by the way. We're on a medium heat. And that little bit of celery, which you don't have to put in, but I think it's beautiful in there. We're going to add our chopped garlic. We're going to add our chicken breast. Like I say, cut nice and thin. I'm going to add the oregano, or oregano, as many of you call it, and a little bit of chili flakes. We're going to go with some salt and some black pepper. Now this is super easy. I mean, we're nearly done already. Okay, so medium heat, about 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Beautiful stuff. Now don't worry if your chicken's not cooked yet. We've still got a long way to go, a little bit of pink there still, but we've got a little way to go. What we're going to do now is drop in our spinach. Like I say, I'm using fresh, as you can see. I've washed it and cleaned it, you know, got all the little bits of grit out. And then I've chopped it up. What we're going to do is go for about another 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time now. That spinach is going to break down, reduce, and be wonderful. Super easy, super delicious, this one. There you go, about 4 minutes. That's reduced right down, coming on beautifully. Now let's get that can of tomatoes in there. Like I said, this one has been chopped. Another 4 minutes on this heat, stirring every now and then. Super easy, super tasty. Fantastic. Okay, let's get that cream. Like I said, I'm using a thick cream. You can use a thin cream, it won't matter. Make no difference whatsoever. So any cream you like. Let's get that Parmesan cheese in. Let's stay on this medium heat and let's just stir this around for about 90 seconds, 2 minutes. Then we're going to drop in our pasta. Look at that, fantastic. So easy and so beautiful. Okay, pasta time. Use any pasta you want. I'm using this kind of macaroni type. 2 minutes, just throw it around in that hot sauce that we have here, this beautiful creamy tomato, garlicky chicken, spinachy, chili, oregano. That's not even a word, is it? Sauce, you know what I mean, don't you? And then we're ready to serve. That's a beauty. Okay, there you go. Really, really easy. Nice kind of midweek special. That's what I call it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do leave us a comment and a thumbs up. That helps us out a great deal. We will see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on how to cook great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.